it's pretty chilly outside, so that must mean you better get your fuzzy boots on and your warm jackets and coats, and your American Girl dolls should too. And that must mean too you better get your warm hats on and your warm gloves on, because every holiday on the exact same day we are going to make American Girl doll special. That includes Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving, even all the seasons too, when it gets snowy outside, fall, all those seasons too. Which, on every season, we are going to make a video, American Girl doll special too, on the seasons and on the holidays. So, every holiday, we are going to make a video, and it's going to be pretty fun, so, yeah. So, if you want to watch it, I assume you watch it. So, that's all we would have to say today, so bye!